maybe the reference was all wrong for me. So here we tried Donna Point from a new angle. Couldn't really manage to record the first hour of painting or whatever that was. So here we're joining the project 2/3 of the way through, I guess. So the water looks kind of like water if you have a stretch of the imagination. And here I thought I would get a fine brush and try to depict those houses or structures, whatever they are up there. And so that came out okay, kind of reminiscent of the buildings up there. And then I took a closer look at what was midway there, which was more buildings, and so tried to hint at those at least. And all in all, it's kind of looking in its crude form, rather engaging, I guess, as a landscape. The water's not really perfect, but it does sort of look like water. And I can kind of see a little wave coming in on the